So today's project, we are in beautiful Chambers County and we have a nice farm pond here. As you can see, levels down a little bit, and the reason why is our spillway pipe is old and metal and it is rusted through. So what we are going to do is take off the bad part. Watch out for snakes while we're doing it. We got a big backwash right here. We're going to take that out. And we have, watching where I step. Yeah. We have concrete. We're going to cut off the bad, plug this with concrete, clean that up right there, and use that as our spillway. So that has access to flow into a creek. Get this water out of here, get this water level back to where it's supposed to be. So we're going to spend about half a day on this, then we're going to go across the farm. We got about an acre cleanup of privet and muscadine. All kinds of fun business. All right, well, let's get started. All right, so got that cleaned up. Got the worst rusty, all torn up spot stuff ripped out of there, and we got it packed full of mud. Really good clay in this area. Got it packed in there real good, and we are going to fill it good with concrete. In there, going to create a little bit of a mushroom size shaped plug. And we're going to stop this water, and then it's going to naturally go over that spillway there that I got to clean up and go right into the creek. No harm, no foul. The water goes where it wants to go anyway. Plant behind ourselves. So we're just going to, I'm going to fill that bucket with bags and hand it over here. Get that packed in good. Stop this water leak. That's all the beaver's work right there. All right, it is going good today. No slips, no breaks. And I didn't cut myself on all that rusted tin. A little bit of a tight spot, nothing we can't handle. Let's get it filled. All right, see, we got our concrete cap on there. That's packed really good with really nice red clay we have right here with a concrete cap on top. You can see it had a few pieces of spare rebar from the old rusted up trash rack. We put that in there. So just anything to help hold and use what we have. But that'll cap it off real nice. As you see, we got a lot of, we'll have about a 3-foot layer of clay packed on top of that. And there's plenty of moisture in this ground, so I didn't feel the need to mix it wet. And this ought to seal this up. Let's keep those beavers out of it. Well, we just did, so we've got to keep the beavers out of there. But that's a lot more accessible, a lot easier to get the beaver dam out of the way if it should happen. And there's the concrete cap. We're going to cover this up, clean this up, and move over to the farmhouse, do some clearing over there. And that is a wrap. That is plugged, packed, covered, and should be good to go. We'll get supposed to get a good bit of rain in a couple days, and there's a lot of watershed coming at this pond. So I feel like we're going to see these levels jump pretty quick. Got the spillway cleaned up a little bit just to make sure we got no water flow issues there, but the grade's good. And that is plugged and covered, packed in. This is, we're gonna, get the little E50 loaded up. We're gonna go to the other side of the property, and that'll be the second part of this project, is get a little bit of the pasture taken back, cleaned up, and where it can be managed again. That's it. Let's move on to the next part.